Hello, my forest creature friends. Welcome to my channel, The Holly Daisy, where every day gets a little holly daisy, and today, I guess, we're going to celebrate Maddy Perez's bowling pants from Euphoria. And I couldn't find very many pictures of it. Really, I could only find just this one, but an amazing subscriber commented asking me if I could make them. I just had to see if I could do it, and I did. So watch this to recreate it. Okay, so I have these pants, which I'll try on for you. I'm hoping this works, because these pants are really cute, and by the way, that's my mural. I'm channeling my inner Maddy right now and just remembering all the toxic relationships I've been stuck and trapped in. Thank you guys for that. You know, I really learned a lot. I really learned how to say no and how to say get away from me. Will it bleach? Please. Look, it's working. Okay, bless, it's bleaching. And the way that the pants are, it's like bleached in the middle and it's scrunched. So I'm going to scrunch it from the legs up to the waist and then just dump bleach in the middle. And I think I'm gonna use different dilutions so that it gives it more texture. Feeling extremely nervous, but I also think it's incredibly auspicious that Jensyn just gave me these pants the other day, and I was like, oh, they fit, they're cool. And then someone asked me to do this and these pants bleach, and I'm like, oh my god. There's like an order to the universe and an intelligence. And so I finished the pants. Well, I know that the original pants had way more bleach on them, or just more bleached, and I could do another round doing the exact same thing, but I kind of like the more subtlety of like the wetting the pants look. Like it looked like I just peed lightning in my pants and it corroded away some of the color. So I don't know, it's a vibe. I really like it, it's a look. And I actually turned out to be really inspired by this style. If you haven't seen Euphoria, it messes up your brain. Like watching that show messed up my brain, and the cinematography, the costumes, the acting, I mean, all so fantastic. But for multiple weeks, I just felt like I was in the show, and that's not really a show that you want to live in your brain all the time. But I did make this really cool Barbie Fiera sweatshirt after watching it, and I painted it with bleach and I messed up her eye, so I embroidered over it and it ended up being so super cool. That being said, if you like this video, or if you just want to give me a thumbs up and validate my internal dreams and feelings and emotions, please do it. I'm sure you could use the karma, and I could use the hype.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And most importantly, I hope you have a quantumly queer day. Magic and mystery and confusion and surprise and all the best things that usually happen when you're actually living your life. I hope you're living your life.